Hi, dear ones. How do you do? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn Poem 2. Every day is a new day. Before entering to the poem, let's learn few new words with meaning. Listen carefully. Delicately. Delicately means very carefully or gently. Look at the picture. He is patting the old man's hand delicately. Curiously. Curiously means eager to know. Look at the picture. Here, the cat is curiously looking into the pot. Next one, creations. Creations means some things new that are made or produced. You can see some mountains, rivers, which are created by God. Next one, gasping. Gasping means breathing in loudly with the mouth. Padded. Padded means covered with a soft material in order to protect. Here you can see the padded feet of a dog. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next one. Afresh means anew. Look here. A fresh leaf is sprouting out of the tree. Patter. Patter means make a repeated light tapping sound. Just listen. Children, did you hear the tapping sound of water? Yes. Next one, wonderfully. Wonderfully means extremely well. Look here, how comfortable the dog is. Hope you understood all the meanings. Now, let's move to the caption or heading of the poem. Every day is a new day. Let us think, what does it mean by every day is a new day? It means our attitude should be new every day. Then only every day will be a new beginning, new blessing, and a new hope. Then, how do we make it new? If any sad incident happened in your life the previous day, we should forget and ignore. When our parents, grandparents, or elders correct us, do not feel bad or sad. Why do they correct us? Because they love us so much. They want us to be the wonderful children of them. Take everything positively and be happy. Then only we can lead a cheerful and happy life. Remember, children, every day is a new day, new opportunity, new chance. Hope you will follow the same. Now, let us move to the introduction of the poem. The poem is about a delightful dog called Lexi. Delightful means pleasant or charming. I would like to ask you few questions. Children, have you ever observed your pet dog or cat? Now, let us close our eyes and imagine some of the interesting habits of them while listening the music. Now, let's open our eyes. Many funny habits of them might have come through your mind. Is it, children? Yes. Let me show some of the funny habits which came to my mind. See the pictures? Really funny and interesting, isn't it, children? Yeah. Did you notice that your pet dog wags its tail when you go near it? Do you know why? It shows that it is happy and friendly. Dogs wags its tail when they are excited too. Hope you are very clear about today's session. Thank you, dear ones. Let's learn the content of the poem in the next session.